Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to cut the cords and give your vehicle the same functionality as your phone with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Make sure you stick around till the end so you can see how to activate all these amazing features. Well, there goes 20 bucks. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jeremiah, aka GMBullfrog, and I am a certified professional sales consultant, safety advocate, and technology expert with Silverthorne Chevrolet Buick GMC. And as always, if you want up-to-date notifications on all the new GM vehicles, detailed guides on how to use the in-vehicle technology, or any other information that you could use to help make an informed decision on your next vehicle, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my latest content. So before we jump into the meat and potatoes of this, let me ask you a few questions and make sure this video is right for you. Do you enjoy having full access to your phone at the tips of your fingers while safely driving? Do you like to stay connected? Are you tired of being buried so deep in wires that you can barely gasp for air? Well, here is the solution to your problems. Now introducing space suits. They are comfortable and breathable, now in 12 different colors. They may cause the occasional knife in the back from a secret alien, but then you won't have to worry about wires. But if you are not into spacesuits, you could always consider wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And that is what this video is all about. Wireless, I say it again, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. GM added wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities in select vehicles, and I will add a list later on in this video that shows all the vehicles that are known to have this feature as of today. Today I'm going to be using a 2021 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali as my demonstration vehicle. I chose this vehicle because anybody who has been looking for a heavy-duty truck in 2020 probably thinks these don't exist anymore because there is such a great shortage out there. But big shout out to Silverthorne Chevrolet Buick GMC for allowing me to be able to show you this unicorn of a truck. So first thing we have to do is we have to download the Android Auto or Apple CarPlay apps to our phone. So for Android users, go ahead and go to the Google Play Store, and then up in your search bar, just type in, Android Auto. And it's going to be this very first icon here. It looks like a little blue triangle with a white emblem. Go ahead and click on that. I already have mine installed, so I'll just go ahead and just skip this for now. So the second step that we have to do is we have to make sure the Bluetooth is turned on our phones. So for Android users to do this, just swipe down the top of your screen, and then this gives you a bunch of different icons up here that you can choose. Right there is your Bluetooth button. If it's black, that means it's turned off. If it's blue, that means your Bluetooth is turned on. So that's step number 2. Step number 3 is to turn your vehicle on. No, not that. Just press the start button. Step number 4. Press either the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto button, depending on what type of device you're trying to connect. And then press the Connect a Phone button. Step number 5. Go back to your phone's Bluetooth settings and hit Pair Device. And what's going to show up on your phone's Bluetooth settings should say My GMC as soon as it's done searching. It may take a little longer, it may take a little shorter. So there it is, My GMC. And when you press pairing, you're going to see a code on both your vehicle screen as well as your phone screen. And these two codes should match. However, if they don't match, no, do not set your vehicle on fire if they do not match. All you have to do is go back in, restart the pairing process again, make sure there's no other devices trying to connect via Bluetooth at the same time that you're trying to pair your device. And then once they match, all you have to do is press pair on your vehicle as well as pair on your phone. All right, and step number, whatever step we're on, all you have to do is go through your on-screen prompts on both your vehicle as well as your phone to give your vehicle permission to access certain features on your phone. So right here, the first one that pops up is message access request. Yes, I will allow GM to access my messages. Yes, there we go. And then right there, let's go ahead and press continue, saying that I do agree to access the Android Auto on my Pixel 4 phone. So this is going to pop up some more screens. It's basically just saying that you're allowing your phone to Bluetooth pair to your car and you have access to the information. I'm just going to go ahead and click next. And then, boom, we're connected. Which just leads us to our final step. Final step is to subscribe to my channel and enjoy all the functionalities of your phone on your vehicle screen. So with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you won't have complete functionality of your phone. So you won't be able to play Pokemon Go while driving down the highway. You will, however, be able to do things such as access your contacts, your messages, navigation, listen to music, hear weather reports, news reports, and various other options. I made a video diving deep into the functionality of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and I will post a link to that video in the description below. So that's all there is to it. Taking out the wires and making this feature completely wireless is a huge improvement in my opinion. The fact that I had to carry a connection cable around with me every time I wanted to go somewhere and use this feature was really the only downside to it. The GM has added this in select models, and they will continue to add it in future models, I'm sure of it. I will put a list right here on the screen now, so you guys can see all the vehicles that are known to have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as of December of 2020, and I'll just leave this posted up there for a few seconds. And unfortunately, if you didn't see your vehicle's name on that list, then chances are you're probably gonna have to wait till next year, unfortunately. But that's all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave a comment down in the comment section below, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button to get access to all my latest content. Your guys' feedback and the subscribers to my channels, you guys help me out a lot to be able to provide these videos for you, and really kind of helps me keep going with the YouTube channel. So thank you guys very much for that. But that is all I have today. Thank you once again. If you guys have any videos that you want to see in future, please leave a comment down in the comment section below, and I'll make sure I put that on my top priority list. I still got a couple of videos that I got to make out for some people who are requesting, but I'm working on it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to be safe. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you want to see more like it, click on the link over here for more helpful tips, tutorials, and vehicle demonstrations. If you have any questions or if there's anything you want featured in my next video, go ahead and leave a comment down in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to get access to all my latest videos on the GM products. Thank you so much for your support, and drive safe out there.